Hi guys, welcome to Pradeep C Sharp tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about the if and else. So what is the syntax of if conditions if we are using in our programs? We'll type it like if, then the small bracket and else. So here in the if they check one condition. If condition is true, then it will execute this part. If condition is false, it will execute else part. So let me put a condition. This condition can be anything. For the time being, I'm just taking one variable int num equal to 5. Oops. Yeah. And we'll check here. If num is greater than 10, then we'll put one message here. Console.writeLine. Anything you can give, like true or else part. Console.writeLine false. So here what compiler will do, compiler create a variable num. It will assign value 5. It will check num means 5 is greater than 10. No, of course not. That means it will execute else part, means output should come false. Let's check. Yeah, false. And if we change the variable from 5 to 50, then the compiler will check if num means 50 is greater than 10. Yeah, of course, then it should execute this if block. Let's check. Yeah, that's true. That is the syntax of if condition. This is the conditional block where the condition will check. If condition true, it will execute the if block. If condition is false, then it will execute else block. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.